Hello traders, you can download a free Forex robot for MT4 and MT5 that has lots of indicators and candlestick patterns built in by using the link in the description below. In this review, I am taking a look at Golden Blitz EA, an expert advisor available for MT5. Right away on the MQL5 Marketplace page, we can see that this EA was developed by Lothi Maylone and is currently priced at 499 US dollars. The version listed here is 3.0, updated on October 1st, 2025. And the developer also notes that the current pricing is part of a limited offer, before future price increases, according to what we can see here. As I scroll through the description, Golden Blitz is presented as a gold focused trading solution designed specifically for XAUUSD. The recommended working time frame is M15, and the overall theme throughout the page is a strong focus on risk management and long-term sustainability rather than pursuing aggressive short-term results. Now, one of the first features highlighted is the dynamic stop loss system. According to the developer, stop loss levels are calculated using the price range of recent candlesticks, allowing the protective stop to adapt to changing market conditions. The idea here is that risk management can remain flexible rather than relying on a fixed stop distance in every market environment. The expert advisor also incorporates three separate trading strategies. The product description explains that each strategy can open up to 3 trades simultaneously, allowing a maximum of 9 open trades at one time when all strategies are active. Beyond entries, there is also a customizable trailing stop feature designed to help lock in profits as trades move in a favorable direction. Another important point mentioned by the developer is what the EA does not use. The description specifically states that Golden Blitz does not use martingale, does not use grid trading, and it does not execute trades without a stop loss. The developer also emphasizes that the system is presented as a conventional trading strategy rather than being marketed as an AI-based solution. Moving further down the page, the setup recommendations are clearly outlined. The EA is intended for XAUUSD on the M15 time frame and can be used on any account type, although low spread raw accounts are recommended. Capital recommendations vary depending on how many of the available strategies are enabled, ranging from one strategy up to all 3 strategies. The developer also recommends using a high-speed VPS for stable operation. Now, transitioning into the historical testing and analysis section, it's worth noting that the developer explicitly states that backtest results should be treated as reference material only. That's an important reminder because historical testing can provide useful insights into behavior, but it cannot fully replicate live market conditions. So now, when reviewing the historical chart activity, the key observations will naturally focus on how the EA manages positions using its stop loss structure, trailing stop functionality, and multiple strategy framework. And since the developer has not disclosed the exact entry logic behind the 3 strategies, it's important not to speculate about the precise reasons trades were triggered. Instead, the analysis should remain focused on the trade management behavior that can be observed from the historical results. Now we can see here, based on the provided images, this uh, growth curve seems to be quite steady, and the growth since 2025 is about 57%. All right, this just shows some trade history, trade results. And here we have the back tested results from 2020 to 2025. Very high risk, the three strategies. All right, so we can see initial deposit $10,000, total net profit $49.2 million, total trades taken were 8,577, and out of that 8,577, 7,120 were profitable trades. That gives us an 83.01% profitability. All right, the largest profit was 121,950. Largest loss was 243,169. The average profit 15,215.9. Average loss 39,118.09. So this tells me that the average risk to reward ratio is pretty bad. All right, we have a good, and we have a very good risk a very good win rate, but the risk to reward ratio on average is pretty bad. But let's just head over to our strategy tester right away. Let's see how the EA performed on XAUUSD on the M15 time frame in 2026, from January 2026 till date. All right, covering about 5 months plus. For the delays, we are using the last ping to the server every tick modeling. So from an initial deposit of $100,000, the total net profit is 1,216.12. Total trades taken were 264, and out of that 264 trades, 222 were profitable, giving us an 84.09% win rate. All right. Largest profit was $50.42, largest loss $67.76. The average profit was $12.66, and the average loss $37.95. All right, so that tells me that the risk to reward ratio is actually bad, just like what we saw on the MQL5 Marketplace page. Okay. So as with any expert advisor, historical testing performance can vary significantly depending on broker execution, spread conditions, slippage, selected risk settings, capital allocation, and overall market conditions. So I would still recommend conducting your own, longer term testing and optimization before considering any live deployment. Overall, Golden Blitz EA for MT5 is positioned as a gold trading system built around multiple trading strategies, dynamic risk management, and structured trade protection. The emphasis on predefined stop losses, flexible trailing stops, and the absence of martingale or grid techniques will likely be areas many traders pay close attention to when evaluating the EA for themselves. So if you found any value in this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so that you don't miss out on more valuable trading content. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.